Hello everyone. In this video we will be starting a new chapter. The name of the chapter is the triangle and its properties. So far we have learned about pairs of angles and intersecting lines, parallel lines. In this chapter we are dealing with triangle. Now you know what a triangle is. A triangle is a three-sided polygon, that is a polygon made up of three sides. Now this is the least possible polygon. We cannot make a polygon with two sides. The least number of sides for a polygon is 3. So a triangle is a polygon, and we name a triangle as, for example, I name this as triangle ABC. Now this triangle has three sides, three angles. Angles mean the interior angles, and three vertices. Vertices are the points of intersection of the sides. Here in this triangle, the name of the three sides are side AB, side BC, and side AC. The names of the angles are angle A. Angle A means you can also name this as angle BAC or angle CAB. Angle B, angle B means angle ABC or angle CBA. And angle C. Angle C means angle ACB or angle BCA. Now these two things, the sides and the angles, are called the elements of a triangle. So a triangle has 6 basic elements, 3 sides and 3 angles. Next, let us learn about medians of a triangle. Consider this triangle PQR. If I draw a line segment from one vertex, say P, to opposite side, keeping in mind that the line segment which I am drawing should meet the midpoint of the opposite side QR. That is, here M is the midpoint of the side QR. Now for this, if this PM is satisfying this condition, that is, if M is midpoint of QR, then this PM will be having a special name. It will be called a median. So a median is a line segment drawn from one vertex of a triangle to the opposite side such that it meets the opposite side at its midpoint. M is midpoint of QR, therefore PM will be called the median. In the same way, I can draw two more medians of this triangle from Q to opposite side PR, and in the same way from R to opposite side, say PQ. Now this triangle PQR has three medians, PM, RL, and QN. Next, we will learn about altitude or height of a triangle. I am taking here an acute angled triangle. Now in this triangle I am drawing a line segment from one vertex to the opposite side. Now while drawing this line segment, I am making sure that the line segment which I am making is meeting the opposite side at 90-degree angle. That is, this angle is 90 degree. Such a line segment is known as altitude of triangle. Here I have taken the name of the triangle as ABC. Suppose this point is D. Now the condition on point D is it is made by a line segment which is arriving from A and meeting the side BC at 90-degree angle. In the same way, I can draw two more line segments of such type. That is, I can draw two more altitudes of this triangle. So just as we have done in case of the median, a triangle can have three altitudes. Here I am drawing the altitudes. I am giving them the name as AD, BE and CF. These three are altitudes of this triangle ABC. Now let us see what happens when we are taking the triangle as a right angled triangle. Like here I have taken triangle PQR, right angled at vertex Q. For this triangle, if I try to draw an altitude from point Q, I will be able to make an altitude like this, say QM. QM is altitude, is one altitude of this triangle PQR. Now if I try to draw an altitude from point P, I will not be able to make a separate altitude. If I am trying to draw an altitude for from point P, what will happen? The altitude which I will draw will coincide with the side PQ. So in a right triangle, the two sides other than the hypotenuse, the two sides also act as its altitudes. Like here, PQ and QR. These two are sides of triangle PQR, as well as they are altitudes of this triangle PQR. And similarly, if I take an obtuse angled triangle, now in this obtuse angled triangle, say ABC, if I am trying to take altitude from point A, I can draw an altitude from point A. Now this altitude will lie outside the triangle ABC. To make proper altitude, I have to extend the side CB. So here this altitude AD is lying outside the triangle ABC when the triangle is obtuse angle triangle.